What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode, Kart Smart TV. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you how to basically do a Yamaha steering wheel. It should be pretty much the same concept for all of them. The only difference is that the newer models are just redesigned. Same principle to get it off and on. So let's do it. Got to pop the center out, your card holder, get that out of your way. This particular nut's 17 mil. Got a washer that's in your way right here. Everybody knows how washers like to kick sideways. When you go to get the steering wheel off, you can give it a couple of gentle tugs, but most likely it's not going to come off that easy. So put the nut back in place. Get it all the way as far down as you can with your finger tight. And then you just start. And you might get lucky, you might not. There it went. Yeah, so if you don't put your the nut back on here, like you like to see me do right there, when you go to do all this stuff right, knocking it, hitting it, it's liable to pop off and just hit you right in the mouth. So put your nut back on for sure. And as simple as that to get it off. All steering wheels will have to have an adapter for the model golf carts you have. You get them for Club Car, E-Z-GO, and Yamaha. And so before you put your nut on, you're going to slip that into the spot that it's supposed to sit. Don't forget, you do have to put that washer back on in this case. When you're putting your steering wheel on, you're going to line up the holes that you see here with the holes that's right here. And then that way you can adjust your steering wheel back to wherever it needs to be centered. So, alright guys, so I like to attach my steering wheel to my adapter before I put this nut on. Make sure you got your wheels straight too when you do this, because once you attach the steering wheel to the adapter, you'll be able to manipulate which direction you need to go to find center. And once you do, it's as simple as putting your washer back on your adapter, put your nut back on, and then give her the beans. And then you should pretty much have your holes all ready to go. Once you got one started, the other ones pretty much fall into place. Let's get them all good and started by hand. And then most of your products come with the tool for the steering wheel. And there you go. Well, that's how you get a steering wheel on a Yamaha and just about every other golf cart out there. So appreciate you watching, guys. If you got any questions, leave us a comment. Phone number's on the channel somewhere. Give us a call. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that bell for all these videos coming out, and as always, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all.